Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your XIAOMI Mi 10 Lite, at the first you have to open your calendar, so you will be able to find it probably in the Google folder, because actually on the smartphone we have only one calendar application and it's from the Google. Click here, tap right here on the switcher, select event. At the first we can add the title, and also we can add here other things like location, notification, we can add the description, we can change the time zone, so there's a lot of things that we can customize. Click save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, here we got our event. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.